What's up everybody, Chef Glenn B, and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on grilled lamb chops with chimichurri sauce. And I'm gonna attempt to pair it with an Argentine Malbec. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is work on the chimichurri sauce. So I've got some fresh parsley. Put that in my food processor, my little food processor. Got some fresh oregano, fresh garlic, and I'm gonna pulse those up. All right. So I've got it finely chopped up, and I'm gonna put this in my bowl here. Okay, so to my herbs and garlic mixture, I'm gonna go ahead and add my red wine vinegar. I've got some crushed red peppercorn. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pour in my olive oil. Whisk that up. Okay, so I'm not happy with the consistency of my sauce. It's not herby enough. It's a little bit, it's too oily. So we're gonna fix that. So I've got some more garlic here that I'm gonna do the same thing basically that we did earlier. I got my parsley and my oregano. Pulse those up. That's much better. That's gonna be much better. I'm also gonna add a little bit more crushed red pepper to this. I like spice. All right, so give that a whisk, and that's what we're looking for. That's what we want. That's the consistency. That's perfect. I'm gonna taste this and check the salt level. Needs salt. That's it. All right, so the chimichurri is in the refrigerator, and I'm ready to go ahead and get my lamb ready. I'm gonna make the marinade first, so let's get that going. First, I'm gonna prep my garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add this garlic to my olive oil that I have here. I've got a lemon here. I'm gonna get the zest off of this lemon. All right, I've got my rosemary here. Go ahead and add that to my mixture. I'm gonna add some salt, kosher salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Give that a whisk. All right, I'm just gonna set that aside. Okay, so I've got my marinade for my lamb ready. Let's go ahead and get the lamb chops cut. So basically, it's pretty simple. Allow the bones to be your guide. So midway between the bone, and sometimes there's a little curve to the bone. As you can see, there's a little curve there. The bone doesn't go straight down. Just curve with the bone. All right, so I got my lamb chops cut. I'm gonna go ahead and I got this Pyrex dish here. Just line them up. That last chop was so tiny. I'm gonna make it do what it do though. I got my marinade here. I'm just gonna make sure they're all covered. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. Just a touch of salt. Flip these over. Same thing on the other side. Just a little bit of salt. That's it. I'm gonna cover these up. I'm gonna stick them in the refrigerator. You wanna let these sit in the refrigerator and marinate for at least an hour, but they can go overnight if you want to. All right, so I'm ready to grill my lamb chops. You can grill your lamb chops outside, or as I'm doing, I'm using a grill pan. Put a little spray in there. And you cook these to your desired internal temperature. Typically, they're cooked to medium rare. All right, so I'm ready to flip my lamb chops. So as I mentioned, I chose an Argentine Malbec to pair with my lamb chops with chimichurri sauce. I chose a 2018 Catina Alta Malbec, and I want to thank the fine folks at Bird Rock Fine Wines for helping me choose this wine. Let's give the wine a taste. So immediately I see it's very dark, it's opaque. And on the nose, I'm getting vanilla. I can tell that there's some oak here. Smells really good, actually. Let's give it a taste. Wow. So there's some pepper notes. Really vibrant acidity. Dark cherries even. It's really good. I think that this wine, the boldness of this wine is gonna stand up very well to the excitement that this dish has going on with the chimichurri sauce. So let me try the lamb chops and see what we got going on here. The lamb is good. The herbs are so fresh and vibrant. It's really good. So tender. I'm excited to see if this is gonna pair. I'm a little worried, because there's a lot going on with this chimichurri, and I'm not certain, but let's give it a shot. No, it's not working. I don't like the pairing. So as always, we got to make the pairing right. Give me a minute, I'll be right back. Okay, so as I mentioned, the pairing didn't work. Now I want to make sure I make it understood. This is a fantastic Malbec. I love this wine. The pairing just didn't work. We are going to try the Penfolds, the 2018 Penfolds Ben 389. It's a Cabernet Shiraz blend, and I've got a little in the glass here. I'm going to pull a little bit more, and I think this might do it. The Shiraz loves the lamb. The only tricky part about this is the chimichurri. That works. That's apparent. That's awesome. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all for watching my video today. For all of you that have subscribed and been watching my videos, I really appreciate it. If you're new, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this opportunity to subscribe. I drop regular videos where I pair my favorite recipes with wine. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.